Hi everybody, just got home from work and yes, I'm trying to find something for dinner. I have a pound of hamburger, so we're just going to use the Ninja Possible cooker. We're going to make some taco meat because we're making some soft shell tacos tonight. So we're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it over to, where's sear saute? There it is. Sear saute, and we're going to leave it on high for right now. We're just going to hit start. We're just going to let it warm up right now. To be honest with you, you really don't need to wait for the sear saute to warm up for taco meat. If you're trying to sear something or brown something, definitely. So this is a pound. I think it's a pound. Oh no, I lied. It's 1.34 pounds of ground beef that I just put in there. I'm just going to take the new spatula I got because I couldn't find mine or I forgot it. I don't know. Although I do like that one contraption I picked up. I think Oxo makes one too, that we can break up the hamburger meat, which works great. Might need something stronger than this. Let's resort back to an old-fashioned wooden spoon. Yep, much better. We're just going to let that brown up. So as you can see, it just works like a regular burner on a stove. And it just dinged a bit. So it's coming up to, it says food. So it said add food. So this burger's almost done. So you have two choices here. You can actually drain off this liquid and fat or just leave it in there. And then to this, we're just going to go ahead and add the taco seasoning. Just pour that right in there. I'm just gonna give it a stir. And I'm just gonna let it cook. All right, so this is done. So I'm actually just going to turn down this. Wow. There it is. Just be careful because everything is hot, really hot. You guys are getting a nice picture of my arm, I think. Oh yeah, look at that. So what I'm gonna do is put it here, wipe that grease off the sides. Be careful. Actually, the sides aren't hot. Put that right back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on. I'm gonna turn it, well, I might just leave it on high. Here, I want you guys to see this. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start, and I'm gonna put the tortillas in there. I think it's big enough, or large enough, to, these are the small ones. These are not the food truck size, but they're kind of small. Well, they're small, but actually they're a good size, I think. I'm gonna warm them up right in there. Let me grab a plate. I want you guys to see what I'm doing here. Gonna flip it over because we're getting the grease on there, and hopefully it'll cook it just a little bit here. I know you guys can't see me, but this is my little mini taco bar here. Now I'm gonna come clean with you as usual. I try not to fib, although maybe sometimes I do. I didn't have any lettuce, so I'm actually using Napa cabbage. So we're gonna take some of that taco meat, put it right on there. Yeah, I just wanted to try out the sear saute function. Gonna take a little bit of cheese. There we go. And I got a little fresh salsa here. A little bit of fresh. A little bit of fresh. It's all about the veg, man. It truly is. So, I don't eat a lot of guacamole, so I buy the individual. Oops. A little bit of sour cream. I know this is so... I should have got around and made like a fresh lime, like a, well, you can call it a fancy name, like a fresh lime crema. Lime juice mixed with sour cream. All right, that's a little bit too much guac for me, so I can't even finish the container, as you guys can see. And a little bit of this cabbage. I know it's not lettuce, but cabbage is just as good. There we go, guys. So that's an impromptu dinner that I happened to have most of this stuff in the house. Well, the only thing I didn't have was, what didn't I have? Well, I had everything in the house. So yeah, let's do the taste test. So let's take a little bit of it. Oh, I need hot sauce. Can't have this without hot sauce. What do we got here? Oh, gonna try this one tonight. This is a salsa picante. It's pretty good. I always have to have a little bit of spice. But everybody's different. And I'm getting it all over the place. But this is what's for dinner tonight. I think they're a little bit too big, but let's give it a whirly. Who doesn't like tacos? Mm. Ah, delicious. No, these are really good. So thanks everybody for watching, and see you on the next one. No, this is very good.